Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. I'm sat here, I'm barefaced, my hair, has it been brushed? We just don't know. I'm in my pyjamas, guys. Like literally look at her go in her love pink pyjamas. Like I love these pyjamas. But anyway guys, I'm just doing something a little bit different today because I just thought it's a new year. It's time for a new kind of video. So today I'm doing a shoe unboxing. I mean, can you even believe it, guys? I never thought that I would ever do a shoe unboxing, but I recently bought what I am hoping, anyway, are going to be like the coolest pair of new shoes. And I just thought, well, if there's ever going to be a time in my life when I'm going to break into the shoe hauling world on YouTube, this is it. So guys, if this is not what you came to my channel for, that's fine. I understand, like, I get it. But if you're here because you like shoes, then I think then this will be the video for you, like honestly. So today we're going to be unboxing the Buffalo. I thought they were like Buffalo London for a second there, so I was like looking just to see, is it anything else? I don't think it is. Buffalo CORIN low fur sneakers. I don't know if that's actually the right name, probably not, but oh no, it says it on the side. Oh, why don't I just look there? These are the CORIN fur trainers. I think they're referred to as trainers as opposed to shoes, actually. So maybe this is like a trainer unboxing. Like there was me crudely thinking I was doing a shoe unboxing and it's actually a trainer unboxing. Oh my gosh. Anyway guys, so yeah, I got these from the Office website. They were having a huge site-wide sale. I'm only going like, because I'm just thinking like site-wide sale just sounds so pretentious. But anyway, they were doing this huge sale, and I spotted these Buffalo shoes, and I was like, similar to how I felt about doing this shoe unboxing. I was thinking it's now or it's never, because usually Buffalo shoes are like so expensive, but I got these on offer. Should I just show you? I'm just thinking, should I just show you? Like, yes, let's show you. So this is the box they came in. I feel that it's probably very important in an unboxing video to actually show you the box. So this is it. I really like it. Feels like good cardboard, and I love the black and yellow. So I'm going to just pop off the lid, and I've not seen these yet. Actually, I have. I did. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. You know I could never lie to you. I have seen them. I snuck a peek before because Mrs. Impatient over here, she could not wait. So I snuck a peek, but I've not tried them on yet. Okay, then I have tried them on. Oh my gosh, guys, like how do you always get the truth out of me? Like seriously. Okay, so anyway, guys, let's pretend that I've not seen them yet and I've not tried them on yet, okay? So we're going to peel back. Oh, gosh, I've not seen these ever before. Oh my gosh. No, guys, okay, so this is what they look like. So as you can see, they've got the iconic Buffalo chunky heel, and because I'm do you know what, I always said 5'3", because whenever anyone used to ask me about my height, I would always say, oh, I'm 5'3", but then I got measured the other day, and it was then that I actually realised that I'm 5'1", so I have been lying to people for years about my height. But what the feck is that? They are a black leather, and they have fur around the edges. There's apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, These are those boots. Like maybe this is what flow rider, I don't know. Maybe that's like what he was thinking about, well, probably not. So this is what the boot looks like. So I think like the full-time price of this boot is £99. I got it for the bargain price of £50. So that's almost like 50% off. And I literally have been idolising Buffalo shoes like way back when the Spice Girls were a thing. And they used to wear those like super chunky Buffalo boots. Oh my gosh, I would have killed someone at the age of 14 to have owned a pair of those boots. I would have given away my entire collection of troll dolls. Like, I know you're thinking, Anwen, were you into troll dolls when you were 15? Yes, bitch, yes. Don't judge me. I did. I loved them. They were so cute with the hair that would stand up. So cute. Well, anyway, guys. So, yeah, this is the fur boot. Now, I do believe that Buffalo have a whole range of these CORIN sneakers. Why don't you say sneakers? Buffalo is an English brand. It's not going to be talking about sneakers. I mean, come on, girlfriend. But they have a whole range of these CORIN kind of style trainers. So they have lots of different colours. There were some that actually were grey, and I really, really liked them. But they were £80, and I could not pay £80. Like, I'm a cheap ass. I'm a budget bitch. I'm not paying £80. I'm just not. So anyway, I got these ones, which actually I think are cuter because these have fur around them. And I don't know if the fur goes all the way. Oh my, holy shit, it does. The fur goes all the way in. This is what the boot looks like. I would say that the heel is probably like 2.5 inches. That is a very rough estimate. And I'm not actually the best at measuring things. I only recently found out what an inch is, so like don't really trust me too much on that, but it seems like a really, really chunky heel. Like if I measure it with my index finger, then it's like half of it, so that probably helps you out even less than my rough estimation that it's 2.5 inches. But anyway, guys, it's got a really satisfyingly big chunky heel. I'm all about chunky heels, guys. Give me a chunky heel and I will give you my entire Trolls collection, is what I say. So these are, I think I said, a black leather. They've got laces. This is what the back looks like. A very chunky, I mean business kind of back. It's got a very attractive looking down position, because I think it's really, really important. You know, you want to have like a really good looking down position. Like whenever I'm perusing like, you know, a new pair of shoes online, I'm always really keen to see the looking down perspective, because like, let's face it, that's the perspective that you're always really going to be viewing your shoe from. So like, I don't really care about this because that's other people see that. I care about this because this is what I am seeing most of the time, and I really do like that looking down position. So these are described as being a trainer, but I kind of think of them as a boot, honestly. But I'm not going to tell Buffalo what they should be naming their products. Do you know what I mean? So these are in a size 3 because I've got such small feet. In America, that translates to being a size 5. I think in Europe, it's a size 36. Oh no, sorry guys, in the US it's a size 6. I always thought a size 3 in US sizes was a 5, but it says here a 6 US sizes. So anyway guys, so this is what the boot looks like. Oh yes bitch, yes. Also, right, so before I took the plunge and actually bought these, because I'm actually quite good at trying to like talk myself out of purchases. So I actually had these in my basket for a couple of days. Look, a couple of days. Did you think I was going to say a week? No, no, no. They're on sale. It's a site-wide sale. I can't risk leaving it longer than like a day. But anyway, these were sat in my basket, and I watched a couple of review videos on YouTube, which actually, that's what inspired me to do this unboxing video today, because I just thought, you know what, if anyone else is in the same predicament as me and they're pontificating about buying a pair of Buffalo boots, shoes, trainers, sneakers, then it could be helpful. You know, this video, probably not, but it could be, you know what I mean? I've kind of forgot what I was going to say. I'm sure it was a really good point, but unfortunately it's gone. Hopefully it'll come back to me at some point. But yeah, oh, that's what I was going to say. Oh my gosh, that's what I was going to say. This is what I wanted to try and find out by watching the YouTube videos. But I always had an idea in my mind that Buffalo shoes will be like really, really heavy because they've got this chunky heel and they look like a heavy boot, don't they? Like when you look at them, I feel like you think, oh my gosh, that is going to be a workout to actually lift this boot off the ground. But they feel like so light, like they feel lighter than my Fila Disruptor trainers. So they're actually a very lightweight kind of boot. So anyway guys, I think all that's left to do is for me to try these sexy little boots on. So I'm going to do that. I don't know how I'm going to even film this. So, like, wish me luck, guys. I'm going to pop the boot up onto the table. Oh, by the way as well, so each boot came in its very own bag. I mean, that's a nice touch. It's a nice touch. There's the second boot, just the same as the first one, because yeah, that wouldn't be good if they were different. So that's great. That's like the #1 rule when you're a shoe seller. Make sure that both the shoes are the same. Make sure. Although I wouldn't mind having the same style but in a different colour. Like, that could look really, really cool. Like, you know, people that get, you know, one half of their head dyed one colour and then one the other colour. Like, I've always wanted to do that. I think it would look like really, really like cool, experimental. I don't know how much my employers would appreciate it, but do you know what I mean? Like, who the heck cares? Like, honestly, guys, don't tell them that. Gonna have to edit that bit out, unfortunately, guys. I always do this to myself. I'll say something like sassy and then I'll think, oh, I've got to edit it out. I want to live my life where I can say what I want and I don't have to worry about editing stuff out. Do you know what I mean? Like, honestly, guys, is that asking too much? I don't know. But anyway, the boot's going on. She is going on. She feels really slippery. Like, you know, because there's all that fur inside. Oh my gosh, she feels so slippery. Holy bejesus. Do you know what? I'm going to bring you down here so you can actually see, you know, the try-on. I don't want you to be stuck up there. I want you to see the main show. Like, oh, also, welcome to my chair wheels. I mean, really, guys, I bet you never thought you'd see them, did you? But hey, oh my gosh, there's another bit of padding in there. Throw it down onto the ground is what I say. You don't need a bin, just pop it on the ground. Okay, so guys, oh my gosh, they're so slippy inside because of the fur. Okay, let me bring my light down so you can actually see the fabulous shoes. I mean, really. Okay, so this is them. I'm going to just like tie the laces. Oh, these are sexy boots. Like, oh my gosh, so sexy. And do you know what? The laces feel really, really good. I feel like it'll be really easy, you know, to like tuck the laces, because this is what I always do. Ever since I was a scally from Salford, I would always like really want to tuck my laces, you know, into the actual shoe, because I just thought it looked the most epic, you know, like that. So that's one boot laced up, and I'm going to move on to the other one. Oh, why am I trying to make this as awkward for myself as possible? I just don't know. I just want to make sure that you've got some really good shots of the shoe, guys, because I think it's like, you know, I'm hoping it'll be helpful. Do you know what? Oh, these are so cool, guys. Oh, look at these. Look at these from all angles. From the front angle, from looking down perspective angle, from this angle, doing a little bit of walking. Oh my gosh, yes, bitch. Look, guys. Oh, what do we think about these, guys? What do we think? Holy shit. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, I forgot my light. Okay. Okay, so guys, these boots feel like so comfy. They feel so warm and cozy. Like, my feet literally feel like I've just popped them into like heated shoes because of that fur. They are, oh, they're everything, guys. They are everything. And I feel like they're quite kind of, you know, rock and roll, grungy, because I wanted to get trainers originally, but then I took ages looking at like Nike trainers, Puma trainers, and they're so expensive, like so expensive. Like, when did trainers get this expensive? They're asking like £90 for a pair of trainers. I think not. I think not. And actually, I made a bit of an error because I'm a size 3. So I thought to myself, well, okay, if I'm just going to get junior size because I think I can fit a size 2. And it'll cost me like £20 less. So that's what I did one time. So I ended up paying £60 instead of £80 for like the adult sizing, and I got a size 2, and for a couple of weeks like I convinced myself that they fit fine. I convinced myself that they would stretch, you know, they were actually quite comfy, I convinced myself. But then finally I just thought, feck this shit, I can't lie to myself anymore, they don't fit. And then I just had to like just think, £60, whatever, it's my own mistake. Like, oh my gosh, that did my head in anyway, guys. But these are so cool, so unique. Like, I've not seen anyone wear these, and I hate when people say that, because it just makes me think, oh, you pathetic loser. Like, literally, you know, when people say, oh, I've not seen anyone else wear it, it's like, well, fuck off. Like, literally, do you want a medal? Like, what? But what I mean by that is that I've not seen anyone else wear them, I suppose. Like, I don't know really, like, why I gave myself such a hard time saying that, because I've not seen anyone else wear them. That's a factual comment. I mean, really, guys. Anyway, so guys, I am going to go about my business. I hope that if you are one of my regular viewers, I really hope that you kind of enjoyed a little differencing video. I'm going to probably start trying and make different kinds of videos here on my channel, just because it's the new year. I'm feeling experimental, and I've also recently treated myself to lots of things in the sales. Honestly, like, guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're some kind of crazed shoe obsessive and this is the first video of mine that you've seen, welcome, like, to the channel. I was going to say, like, this is what I'm always like, honestly. My regular viewers would tell you, I'm always like, you know when other YouTubers say, please like and subscribe. I am more of the kind of person that would say, you know, maybe come back if you want to, but it's fine if you don't. Like, I completely understand. It's okay. It's fine. Just thanks for stopping by. Like, that's really my usual kind of thing, you know. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you just taking the time to stop by today. If you're interested in buying some buffalo shoes just based on these, I would say go for it. Like, literally, the one thing that put me off about buffalo shoes was that I thought they'd be really heavy and uncomfortable. They're not. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you in the next one. Happy walking, guys. I don't know why I said that. I just thought, because it's a shoe unboxing, like, what do we do in shoes? We walk in shoes. Happy walking. Anyway, guys, like, I'm gonna go. Bye. Okay, so this is me walking in the shoes. I've worn them out and about now, and oh, wow, they are so comfortable, so comfortable. This is me awkwardly getting Honeys to film my shoes when the boys were playing football. Honeys was like, what? He was not impressed, but look at me looking awkward. There I am. Oh,